Hello, so join me as we bake this morning. So I have a bake mix here. This is it. And what we are going to do is already written at the back of it. We need to add 140 ml of lukewarm water, 25 ml of olive oil, and salt. And the preparation is simple. We just need to put the baking mix, which is this, inside our mixing bowl. Add our 25 ml olive oil, add pinch of salt, and then we add in our 140 ml lukewarm water. Then we mix in the mixing machine for about 3 minutes on the highest setting to a smooth dough, and then we can grease our pan and put it there, and then bake at 220 degrees for 10 minutes. But before we bake, we need to set it in a warm place for about 45 minutes to let it rest. So that is what we are going to do, and hopefully it will come out really good. Then they say vary with other fillings such as olives, sun-dried tomato, or various types of cheeses. So these are the things they want you to place on it, olives, but we decide whatever we want to use ourselves. Okay, so let us begin the process. So this is how it is. This is the flour, and I think I should just use the mixing bowl directly. So we are going to pour in our bake mix. They have added a number of things inside, so we just need just a little. Then we are going to add our olive oil. It was said we should add about 25 ml. Yes. So this is my measuring cup. We are going to plug in our mixer. We are going to plug in our mixer, and then we are going to add all the warm water. So we've added our 25 ml of olive oil into the flour, and now we are going to add 140 ml of the lukewarm water and mix. And we are going to put it on high speed. We are going to add our salt, and you can see so now we have finished mixing. Can you see? And then I'm going to oil the pan, and then I'm going to place it in and allow it to rest for about 45 minutes in a warm place. I've warmed up my oven, so I'm going to allow it to rest in the warm place. Very soft. I like it. Very soft. Can you see? It's a soft, flexible dough. So I'm going to just shape it round and round to fill up the pan. Very nice. We had it come out well. You never can trust how a dough is going to come out. You see, there are some maybe spices or herbs that they added. You can see it all over. So yes, now let's read the instructions. We need to put it in a warm place for 45 minutes before baking, and this is how we expect it to come out. Okay, so when I'm about to bake, I'm going to put in my dates. I'm going to use these dates. I'm going to cut it into small pieces and put it on top of it before baking. So I am going to use dates instead of olives. I have olive, but I don't want to use olive, okay? So now, this is our dough. We allow it to rest for the next 45 minutes. Yes. So now to prepare the dates that I'm going to put on top of it. I'm going to use 3 dates. And I'm going to cut it into small pieces. I'm just going to spread it on top of it. See, small pieces like this. So this is the date we are going to use. You can see how small the pieces are. Okay, you can see how small the pieces are. Don't make it too big because we are going to stuff it in the dough when it's well set up. Or we can also put it now so that the dough can. So now we want to put in the dates so the dough can swell up with it. Okay. It's going to be a tasty one right here. So you see how small the dough, you see how small the dates are. Just stuff it in. So here we are. We take it and allow it to cool down for the next 45 minutes in a warm place, and I'm putting it right inside the oven to cool down, preheated oven, for the next 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes, this is what we have. Look at that. It's swollen, well-rounded, looking pretty. Now it's time to bake. Take it back to the oven and we bake for the next 20 to 30 minutes. So I almost forgot this step. We are asked to brush the top with olive oil. So I'm going to brush the top of it with olive oil. Yes, I almost forgot. So yes. So yes, the top is shiny with olive oil. And now set it into the oven until it's baked. Look at that. Our focaccia is ready. Yes. Look at that. Looks tasty. You can see. Now we are going to bring it out. We are going to bring it out, but it's super hot. Super, super hot. You can see how it came out. Nice. The dates. I didn't press on the dates on it well. So we want to bring it out. You have to be careful so we don't spoil the focaccia. You can see the underneath really nice. Came out good. Nice. So moments of truth, we are going to slice it, although it's still really hot. But yes, focaccia is ready. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Looks tasty. Came out good. So you can try it out. Tasty focaccia with your family. Take it with your coffee and with some fruits, and you are good to go. Thank you for baking with me. See you in my next video. Please like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to the channel, and let's cook more amazing things. Bye-bye.